Assalamu alaikum, how are you guys? My name is Asma and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make a beautiful fast food poster. So let's start. First of all, we'll make a table and then we'll manage the hue and saturation. So let's do it. Yeah, I think that's better. So, and now we'll add the pictures of burger, fries or any fast food you love or you like. So, and now we'll make a shadow. Let's make an oval, and let's color it black and just blur it. I think that's okay. So, just make a copy of it, and yeah, we'll add a light and smoke, and now we'll add some text. Burger font name is Bad Cats and the delicious font name is Impact. You can download it easily by any website. So let's add some sparkles. Yeah, I think it's done. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.